Do you like coffee? Do you go to cafes?
Today we learn how to order coffee in English.
Short sentences. Easy English. Let's go.
Hello, I'm William. Welcome to Learn English, Level A1.
And I'm Sarah. Today we are at the cafe.
We learn how to order drinks and food.
Very easy. Very useful. Let's begin.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi. I would like a coffee, please.
Of course. Hot or cold coffee?
Hot, please. A large hot coffee with milk.
No problem. Do you want sugar?
No sugar, thank you. Just milk.
Anything else? Do you want something to eat?
Yes. I would like a croissant, please.
That is $4.50, please.
Here you go. Thank you very much. Great conversation. Now let's look at the key phrases.
I would like. This is very polite. Use it when you want something.
Anything else? The server asks this after your first order.
With milk means you want milk in your drink.
No problem means yes, I can do that. It is easy.
Practice. Say I would like a coffee, please right now.
Hello. Can I have a menu, please?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you. I would like a tea, please. No milk.
One tea with no milk. To have here or to take away.
To have here, please. I want to sit down.
Perfect. Your tea is ready. Please sit anywhere.
Can I also have a glass of water?
Yes. Water is free. Enjoy your visit.
More cafe vocabulary. Let's review these words.
Menu is the list of things you can order. Always ask for a menu.
To have here means you eat inside. To take away means you leave.
Can I have is polite. Use it at the cafe.
A glass of water. You can order water at any cafe.
Repeat slowly after me. Ready.
I would like a coffee, please.
Hot or cold?
To have here or to take away?
Can I have a glass of water?
Excellent. Now you can order at any cafe.
Quiz time. 3 questions. Let's do this.
Question 1. A polite way to order is A. Give me coffee. B. I would like a coffee. C. Coffee now.
The answer is B. I would like a coffee. Very polite.
Question 2. The list of drinks is called the A. Bill. B. Receipt. C. Menu.
The answer is C. Menu. Always ask for the menu.
Question 3. You want to eat inside the cafe. You say A. To take away. B. To have here. C. I am hungry.
The answer is B. To have here. You ate inside the cafe.
Perfect. Now you can order at any cafe in English.
Next episode. Asking for directions in English.
Subscribe and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.